Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki A-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, firstly prepare cloth or piece of fabric. Then park your car on flat surface and let it rest for 15 minutes. This will allow engine oil to flow down to reservoir. Next, remove the dipstick and clean it. Then place it back and remove it again. Now measure engine oil level. It should reach the top dot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.